In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the file is open in another program. Now there's 3 ways that you can potentially fix this, so just follow along. First one is you want to go to the task manager, go to processes, and in here you want to try and find the one that you're having trouble with. So in my case, let's just say it's Spotify that says it's already open. You want to just click on it and end task and then see if this solves the issue. After that, you can go into details, click anywhere and type the first letter of the thing that you just closed, so S in my case, and then you can look if there's more than one Spotify open in here, and then you can try and close all of them down. Now the second option is come here and search for File, Explore, Options, go to View, and in here you want to scroll down until you find Launch Folder Windows in a separate process. You want to make sure that this one is unchecked, so make sure it is not ticked, and then just apply an OK. After this, it should hopefully work. Otherwise, you can just try and restart your PC and see if that solves it. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.